Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Everson here, and today I am doing lesson number 3. And in yesterday's lesson, Miss Davis was talking to you about the feelings that the characters have in the story and how the little red hen's feelings changed over the course of the story. Well, today we're going to talk about how the illustrations help us know how the characters are feeling in the book. So we're going to start by, I'm going to show you a picture. Let me see. Here we go. So illustrations in our books can tell us whether the character is upset, excited, scared, or grumpy. And so I'm going to look here at this picture from the story today. The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, which happens to be my favorite pigeon book. It's probably why we chose it. And so I'm looking at this picture of Pigeon, and I'm looking at what he is doing with his wing there. Do you see how it's pointing straight out at Ducky? It's called his body language. So, what do you think he's feeling if you look at this? I see his wing pointing out. Do you notice that his beak is opened really wide? And do you see how he has that hot dog and he's kind of holding it away from Ducky? Yeah, to me, it kind of looks like he's a little angry. The way his wing is pointing at Ducky, and you see those little lines above and below his wing, it reminds me of like when I get mad at my dogs and I point my finger at them and I'm like and I wave my finger at them like this. That's kind of what it reminds me of. And so I'm thinking that Pigeon is feeling upset. I think he might be a little angry. I think that he is maybe kind of getting upset there, maybe yelling a little bit at Ducky. You can even look at Ducky's expression on his face. Look at him. He looks like he's got his arms crossed. His eyes are kind of squinty, like, what? What are you talking about? Anyway, so when I look at this picture, how Pigeon is looking to me, he looks like he's upset, and I can tell that clearly from the illustration. So what we would like you guys to do today is you're going to be watching the read aloud of Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Excuse me, I forgot there for a second. Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, and I want you to be thinking about, while you're watching the story, is how is Pigeon feeling? And how did the pictures help you know that? Then when the story is over, you can either go and listen to the story one more time, and as you're watching, pause the video on your favorite picture. Or we've also provided a picture in your learning packet if you have it. And then I want you to think about, how is Pigeon feeling? And how did the picture help you know that? Okay, so 2 things you're going to think about. How is Pigeon feeling? And the second, how did the picture help you know that? Okay, then I want you to go and tell someone at your house the answer to those questions. Okay, how is Pigeon feeling? And how did the picture help you know that? I hope that you have a good time with this. There is some optional work also associated with this, some writing about how Pigeon is feeling. So I hope you have a great day. Bye. See you next time.